Monday, April 28th, 2025, 8:15 a.m. in the morning. Started off with 60-degree weather, sunshine, and the trail is stated as a 3.9 mile, but we took a little side trek to see the falls. A little bit of water running. So it ended up being 4.2 miles, but the wildflowers were abundant. The views were amazing. Look at the sunshine. It was beautiful. Well worth hiking on this trail. I wish I could pronounce the names of the flowers, the cactuses. Some of them have long names. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? The canyon below, the mountains. Just the whole hike. Just incredible day. Many different kinds of flowers. We saw a lot of lizards, little baby lizards, geckos, I don't know what they're called in the desert in Arizona, but we saw a lot of them. No snakes. No, we did see some cows, not on the path though, just grazing on the mountainside. Look at that. The valley. There's flowers. It was a great morning. Thanks for being a part of the adventure with us by watching. Have a great day.